Begin by getting comfortable. Choose the position that is best for you without rushing. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. With your eyes closed, pay attention to your body. Feel how it is supported by the surface you're on. Notice where your skin touches the support and how your body responds to it. What do you feel right now? Accept what you're feeling without rushing or judgment. Just observe with care, allowing everything to be as it is. Stay in this space, observing your breath and your body. Now, if you haven't already, begin to notice how your breath feels. Observe its rhythm without trying to change anything. Just feel and accept it. Let the breath flow naturally, without hurry or control. There's no need to modify anything. Just observe each inhale and exhale, like a gentle movement happening naturally. Allow yourself to be fully present in the simple act of breathing. Pay attention to the sensations of the breath entering and leaving your body. How does it feel? Faster or slower? Deeper or more shallow? Just observe without rushing to change anything, accepting what is now. Keep your eyes closed and gently expand your awareness to the space around you. Feel the air touching your skin. Notice the sounds around you, but don't get attached to them. There is nothing to do, nothing to judge. Just observe and allow everything to be as it is. When you notice, gently redirect your attention back to your breath, your body's sensations, and the present moment. There is nothing wrong with being distracted. The important thing is to gently bring your attention back without criticism. Now feel more connected with the space around you. Imagine you can sense objects nearby without touching them. Notice the more subtle sensations, like the air touching your skin, the temperature of the room, or even the smell of the place. Don't get caught up in what's happening outside of you. Just observe without judgment. Allow yourself to be a compassionate observer of everything happening around you. By keeping your attention on the present moment, you bring more calm and clarity to your mind. Every sensation that arises is just an experience. There is no need to react to it. Just observe and allow it to pass naturally. Remember, each sensation is valid and part of what you're experiencing at this moment. As you observe the sensations in your body and mind, remember to practice acceptance. This means allowing everything to be as it is, without resistance. If thoughts, feelings, or emotions arise, let them come and go. There is no need to hold on to anything. The moment is fluid, and everything that happens is temporary. If discomfort or distractions arise, simply notice them and gently return your attention to your breath or the sensations in your body. Acceptance is realizing that everything is part of the moment and that you can be gentle with yourself. As You move through any experience. Be patient with whatever arises in you. You don't need to be perfect. Just be as you are, fully accepting of yourself. Now, bring your attention back to the sensations in your body. Notice how it feels in relation to the present moment. Feel the points of contact between your skin and the surface you're resting on. Feel the gravity acting on you and how your body adapts to it. If you feel any discomfort, don't reject it. Just observe it with curiosity without rushing to change it. Also, focus on specific areas, like your hands, feet, or shoulders. How do they feel right now? Feel each small movement and how it fits into the flow of the moment. Every sensation you experience is an opportunity to deepen your connection with your body and the present. Now, bring your attention back to the rhythm of your breath. Notice if it has changed in any way throughout the practice. Perhaps it has become softer or deeper. Allow yourself to relax even more with each breath, knowing this moment is yours. With each inhale, feel the air filling your body, and with each exhale, let go of any tension or worries that may still exist. Breathe deeply, letting your body release more and more. There's nothing you need to do. Just be present and allow the breath to flow naturally. Now, bring your attention to the silence around you. This is a moment of pure presence. Stay aware of the sound of your body breathing, the soft sounds of the environment, or even the deep silence that may emerge. There's no need to engage with anything. In the present, listening and observing with an open mind. The longer you stay in this space of silence, the more you will feel the calm within you. Enjoy this moment of deep peace. Allow yourself to be fully present without any judgment or expectation. Now, gently move your shoulders, feel your fingers and toes. Slowly bring your attention to the movements of your body, feeling every small gesture with full presence. As you begin to return, hold on to the sense of peace and presence. Open your eyes slowly, feeling renewed and calm. You return to your surroundings. Carry with you the sense of connection to the present moment. Thank yourself for dedicating this time to practice. Rest of your day with the same presence and calm you've experienced here.